Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel, where we transform creativity into art. Today, we are going to dive into the enchanting world of watercolor and learn how to create an elegant and simple floral arrangement. If you like today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. My name is Norma Corrado. Get ready to be inspired and create something truly special. In this video, we will use Montval 300G paper, Paul Rubens watercolor and a brush. The colors used are in the video description. Let's start by creating a bright background for the painting. To do this, we will moisten the paper and use very diluted paint, just to give it that delicate color. Now we wait for it to dry. The paper is now dry, so let's start the floral arrangement. Place a drop of paint with the tip of the brush on the paper. Pull the dot of paint to form a petal. It will look like an upside-down heart. You can create a flower with 6 or 5 petals. It's up to you. Put a little paint on the base of each petal while it's still wet and let the watercolor work. Let's make some more flowers using the same technique. I teach the technique for this flower and other flowers in my book, Watercolor Flowers, without the use of a sketch. The book is for sale on Amazon. Take advantage, it's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. The link to purchase is in the video description. Let's paint another type of flower. Let's start by making several dots close to each other to look like a small flower. From the base of the flower, we'll pull a curved stem that will join the other stems of the flowers we're going to create. Let's paint a few more of these flowers to improve the composition of the floral arrangement. Now we are going to paint another flower with 3 small brush strokes on the paper that join to a common base. Create a stem and join these flowers to the stem. Take advantage and place the stems on the other flowers. Once this base is made, we can let our imagination run wild and paint several other flowers. Just remember that the further away the flower is from the foreground, the more watery the watercolor paint should be. This difference in the tonal value of the paint will give the artistic work a sense of depth. In the center of the flowers, make small dots to represent the center. I decided to make more flowers to improve the composition of the arrangement. From the base of the flowers, we are going to make the stem and the leaves. To make the leaves, we touch the tip of the brush to the paper and drag the brush, pressing it against the paper, and then release the pressure until the tip of the brush returns. We can create leaves of various sizes with this technique. I decided to add more flowers. Now let's add the details of each flower. To paint distant flowers, I dripped a little bit of very watery paint onto the paper and then used a clean brush to shape the flowers and stem. I don't want a perfect shape. I want the flowers to look like they're in the distance, as if they were blurred. There you go. It was a true artistic adventure. Notice how the colors blend smoothly and the details bring the painting to life. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own watercolor flowers. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video until the end. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.